Welcome to Mommy Stella TV. My subscriber, what I know verse is there. I just get all that what they do for Facebook. That's why Facebook don't they talk here. I don't they be. That's why they be. God go bless you now for me. My subscriber. I say subscriber. Oh, haba. God go bless you now. Now not go ever lack. Better thing. Now go enter on our way. True life story though. I bring one story come out. I put them for well not long, but I cut some on Facebook. I for do one. I cut and put for YouTube. So the person called me, say the same thing happened to her. So somebody called me, said the kind thing I see happened to her, but tonight tomorrow, you know, he say no, they call he mama, say that mama do and that thing. Cause when he this one, the way mama take my treat her, you know they call, but they pain and say no, they call him mama. Now they say mama no well. So he need to the ask of him mama. I wanted to one. Now I say well, but for me I don't get mother. But they do my mother. I say, well, call your mother. He say, no, I want to just try. May call him mother. I bet this video, when I make share, I just want to make person talk put. Make them for, no, I want to call. He say, no, I want to. Anytime we try, make carry phone, take call him mama. He might go say, may he drop phone. He say, anytime we say, may he call him mama, he go just see drop phone. If we husband don't talk. Your husband don't tire. Say because of that one, he not do marriage, only court marriage. Now he not do marriage. You know want make mama sit down for that wedding day. So the thing now they even his sister they call and say, I hear you. Forget what he do you. Fine, we don't say he do you something. Forget what he do you, but he don't know I want to forget. If they try call her, now they call and say mama no way. Even mama that time say even mama told her say me no send more, he no need the money. Yeah, because I say mama say me marry ma we no like. So because of that one, the thing come. Even the boy when they follow that I can't see who abandon her. When he can go meet him, mama no can see take her in. Before he can struggle enter Europe. So now they say mama no way and mama swear say me no drop, me no give her money till he die. He say no how he want do. He need that verse. May we foretell her he go do. This mama swear say me, I say this mama still there alive now. Whether me your nah, this coronavirus no, they don't the buy ticket go Nigeria, go Africa. He say no what he want do. Even mama say the thought say make they not let her, make they not bring money, make they not use the money to take care of her. So now what he want do, he no know. Even if your husband they try make then they talk to the woman. The rare children they pick the phone. The mama not mama not they carry phone. So now he confused. He don't know what he want to do. And the thing now don't they worry her for heart, don't they worry her for mind. So that kind of thing, he don't know what he go do. He need that advice. What person go tell and see what he go do. He say mama people want to go. Your husband people want to go before. Mama drive them. Go back. He say your husband say no ever see this kind of mother before. Nah. This woman not well so. Wait till he want do. He say me they not use the money to train her. How he want to do? And if he dead, don't he go bury her. So maybe he say he need advice. I beg, brother, sister, na short story the way they do now. No. If you know what he go do. He say don't work out for pastor tire. He don't pray. Oh, he say no know what he want to do. Pastor don't pray. They don't tire. He don't work out. He don't know how he want to do the matter. Now the mother not even well. No well at all. Mommy say not get the money. They work. They okay. Family they okay. But the mother say no need the money. Then I say well. No, na true life story. Let me want feel advice for this one. I beg. You will watch this thing. Send message. May how this woman want to do. What he want do. Cause say no get papa again. He don't follow his papa's side. Well, because of the mama say me marry my way no one then. And the man now come disappoint her. The man will be one marry way. Mama say mama say me no marry come follow another one. That way come follow and call it a disappointment. So he don't know what to do before he come enter Europe. He say papa people don't go. Go tell mama. Mama no here. Mama just go. So I beg, brother, let me share this video. Wetin she wan do? Make she just forget her mother like that. You say because they say the same money go they give they call the rest, so if they send money give them, they talk. But the mother say mama na mama. Say because what when I talk touch am. Say no go when mama they call speaking all those things when I talk say touch am when I make am say me you call me for messenger. So you don't know what you want to do. What you want to do? You know, let's say me not worry. I get YouTube channel. I go Tafia enter there. Make I bring the story come. I beg, sister, brother, what you did there. If you hear this story, let me share am. What did this woman want to do? May you forget to die mother like that? Or how you want to do? Even this time, Anna. You say when he go out there, now we go out 2 years ago. His mama no agree make him see him. Mama no agree. So you don't know what he want to do. You don't carry everybody begging mama. So you don't know what he want to do again. Now the woman not well. He say make them not be money control me they take treat am. So I beg say what he go do. May he forget his mama like that. Or may he continue they try. Because he don't try, husband don't try, they don't tire. What he want to do. But the rest children that they talk to each other that they call body. Even carry to entire Europe. So what he want to do. May they give his sister money go they give her. How you want to do? I beg. Mona let us know. Mona let me share and may rich people want. Make them for know how you want to do. So I'll still come again. Now today I thought this one, another one still there. I thought they get small story. Mona let me see the share and beg. Now I beg I did. Mona let me see the share and give person. What did the woman want to do? May leave mama like that. Or may see they try it best. I beg. We need that verse. Now you go take do something. Now one person not they grow. I don't buy one phone now, so one person not they grow finish. So thank you. I'll still come again for another bogus story. Bye bye. And subscriber. I love you now. God go bless you now. Go multiply on our pockets. That hand sickness not go ever follow and come. Better that one go to use until they do. Thank you. So I beg. More will help me share this video. May see go fast. More may people know what this woman go do.